Guys, you're welcome to Tuesday's FX trading channel right now, and I just want to share with you a little concept that maybe you might find interesting. Okay, so do well to like our videos, share and subscribe also. It's concerning how to analyze your weekly market and knowing what week is expected to do. All right, now you can see I already have a running trade right now. I have a trade running at sniper entry. Now, most people might be wondering, maybe I had to adjust this thing down here. No, I didn't. Of which I have the picture of when I analyzed. I have the picture of when I analyzed this market and I posted it. Okay. So when I uploaded it, most people were wondering how was I able to know that we're gonna get a sniper entry here. A lot of people went for a lot of traders went for a sale, but market had to give them otherwise too. But that aside, so I have a weekly analysis here that has already been kept. Let me take this off. Okay, I have a weekly analysis, and from my weekly analysis, I can get that there's a weekly liquidity here, or a weekly resistance here, and this liquidity needs to be swept. This is for last week, and this is the new week where price. Okay, this is around. This is the new week where price started, of which I took off the indicator that I put there. So this is last week resistance, and this liquidity has been here for too long. Price is coming towards that place to take this liquidity off before going to the available direction. Now, of which right now we still can't verify what is going to happen. So of which at the end of today, we have fundamentals coming up in the next 15 minutes. So at the end of today, being Friday, if the market fails to come and sweep this liquidity, to come and take off this liquidity here, or tap in and respect this order flow, then next week, next week from Monday, expect a major drop, a very huge drop. The market is going to drop so hard on gold. So my advice for you guys is, for now you can buy, even the news coming up, you can also buy gold. But by the time the day runs out and gold is not off this place, this resistance point here that I'm circling, then we should start expecting the sell. Now you might be wondering how I was able to get this sniper entry. Let me just show you quickly. I took my fixed range volume profile. This is it here. You can also, I have the settings already in one of my videos. So go and look for my videos where I talked about fixed range volume profile. So you see there. So I come to 1 hour time frame. I map out for this week Monday down to today, because Friday will decide this week. So this is Monday down to yesterday, which was Thursday. Yeah, Thursday ended and Friday began. So from what we could say that our point of control is still having what do I say now? Our point of control, which is here, this yellow line, is still having lots of volumes around it. So what are we expecting now? We take up this two, trying to see how to make this not to reduce the paintings here. So I map out here to here and I draw it out. So this is it. Now I can take this off. So like you can see, let me give this another color. Let's say purple. So now like you can see, here has been mapped out. So that's why you can see I was able to map out this support zone. And when price came, tapped in immediately, the price reversed and price started going up. So that is one of the ways. There are so many ways I could have gotten this sniper entry, but this was one of the ways. Now, one thing you should understand about indicators, you don't have to rely on them. They can guide you, they can help you, but you don't have to rely on them. So that I was able to get this sniper entry, and you can see price still going. So In the next 12 minutes, when the news comes up, we are still expecting the bullish. We have two events coming up today, so we are still going bullish till we get to that point. So I'm just aiming the 1:3. I'm already in profit already, so I don't panic. I know what I'm doing, so I have to leave it to continue. So you can also do yours too and tell me what you feel for next week. Once price doesn't hit that place, let us know together. I'll see you in my next video. Trying to make this video not to be long so you don't get boring. But I'll see you in my next video. For now, thank you. Bye.